Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a mountain gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke alloys, black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof, GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, memory seats, power windows, ambient lighting, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push-start ignition, convenience package with auto-dimming mirrors, garage door openers, rear view backup camera, button key for media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 10,733 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.